Good morning. I am Mariam Sardar, Associate Professor at the Department of Biosciences, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. Welcome to UGC E-Pathshala. I will be teaching you about applications of enzymes. The objectives of today's study are enzyme and its importance, enzymes as an analytical agent, and the applications of enzymes in industries as biofuel production. The enzyme technology provided a new route for manufacturing bulk and high value added products utilizing enzymes. In order to meet needs such as food, fine chemicals and pharmaceuticals, the enzyme based processes has gained momentum in various factors such as in washing, in bioremediation, for analytical and diagnostic purposes. The two main challenges for enzyme technology are the development of new and better products and the improvement of processes to produce products from renewable sources. The novel applications of enzymes are in medical, for example, we have medical enzymes. They are analytical or diagnostic enzymes used in biosensors. Some are therapeutic enzymes. Then we have industrial applications of enzymes. We have pharmaceutical industry, food and brewing industry, paper and pulp industry. Of course, they are used in agriculture industry also. Some enzymes are used for the production of a biofuel like amylases, cellulases and proteases. They are used in food, brewing, paper and textile industry. So we have applications of enzyme in medicine as analytical agent. Enzymes are proven to be eminent analytical reagents due to their highly specific nature and efficiency. They can be used in quantitative determination of substrate concentration. For example, alcohol dehydrogenase is one of the most useful enzymes for bioanalytical applications. There are many other examples of enzymes that can be used in diagnosis. We have an enzyme arginase for L-arginine levels in plasma and urine. Cholesterol esterase in another example of an enzyme, it is used for serum cholesterol levels. Creatine kinase for cardiac and skeletal malfunction, glycerol 3-phosphatase dehydrogenase for determination of serum triglycerides, uricase for the determination of uric acid. Other examples of enzymes are shown below. Enzymes are also used in biosensors. Biosensors are mainly electronic monitoring devices that make use of an enzyme's specificity and the technique of enzyme immobilization. The basic components of biosensor are biorecognition, biotransducer, amplifier, processor and the display. The substrate is detected by the biorecognition system and the biomolecule interact with the analyte of interest. The interacting molecule is detected by the transducer. The amplifier amplifies the electrical signal produced by the transducer. This signal is preceded by a processor and display on the screen. Enzyme technology is the application of enzymes in various industries, agriculture and medicine. Enzymes are the biological catalysts that are highly specific. The enzymes are preferred over other inorganic catalysts due to the efficiency, selectivity and specificity. Enzymes are biodegradable and comparatively eco-friendly. These are some of the novel applications of enzymes. They are used as medical enzymes, industrial enzymes, as well as in biofuel. Enzymes are found to be used in industry, medicine, biosensors, synthesis of bulk organic materials, formation of food flavors and aroma compounds, detoxification of pesticide residues. They are also used to monitor the toxic chemical levels in food and water. Enzymes can be used as analytical agents. The sensitivity and specificity of enzymes make them useful tool in medicine for detection and measurement of chemicals in fluids. They can also be used for identification of specific substances and detection of glucose in a biological sample. These are some of the examples of diagnostic enzymes. The most widespread biosensor today is the glucose biosensor. It is very often used to measure the glucose concentration in blood. Its application for diabetic patients was also the driving force for the glucose sensor research. Enzymes are effective cellular catalysts responsible for controlling thousands of reactions in the cell. Enzymes are used in skin care products to facilitate exfoliation, to help overall biological processes in skin that have slowed down because of age or sun damage, and to inhibit free radical damage. This table shows some of the enzymes in cosmetics and medicine. In industry, enzymes are majorly used in pharmaceuticals, paper and pulp industries, food and brewing industries, and agricultural industries. One of the examples of enzymes in pharmaceutical industries are production of insulin. As we know that hormone insulin is essential hormone that control blood sugar levels. The impairment of insulin may lead to diabetes mellitus. The number of diabetic patients has been increased dramatically, which increases the demand of insulin hormone. This is the diagrammatic representation of production of insulin. Another important application of enzymes are based pharmaceutical products as Protease Capsule. They will also relieve migraine and high energy levels. The practice of eating capsules are increasing as more research is being done on it. Lactose intolerance is the inability to digest lactose. So, there are supplements for this disorder which are better alternatives. Acidic environment enables it to be functional, but too much add can denature it. Rosacea vessels too close to the skin. Thin skin layer treated by enzymes that go under and treat the broken vessels. Some create thicker layer of skins. Face wash work by removing dead skin cells by enzymes. Some enzymes emulsify oil or fat, and so these work well on acne. Citric ointments have minerals that activate enzymes already in the body. So far we have seen the application of enzyme in medicine as biosensors, as therapeutic agents, in pharmacy, etc. Now we will discuss the industrial applications of enzymes. The enzymes are used in every sector, like in detergent industry, in baking industry, in textile industry, etc. These are some products of enzyme technology which are used in daily life. Microorganisms have been used for thousands of years for making various products such as beer, vinegar, wine, soya sauce, etc. But nowadays, pure sources of enzymes have been used. Food enzymes are used to improve a great variety of food product processes, from protein and starch processing to processing of raw materials for alcohol fermentation and dietary. Food enzymes provide many benefits to the dairy industry. They can prolong the relicence in cheese, remove liquid milk and reduce whey bitterness. Milk contains proteins, especially caseins, that maintains its liquid form. Proteases are enzymes that are added to milk during cheese production to hydrolyze caseins, especially kappa casein, which stabilizes micelle formation, preventing coagulation. Enzymatic meat tenderizers are made of proteolytic enzymes called proteases, which break down the peptide bonds between the amino acids found in complex proteins. This makes the meats softer. The two most often used meat tenderizing enzymes are papain and bromelain. Both are derived from plant sources. These are some of the enzymes which are used in baking industry like alpha amylase, maltose amylase, protease, etc. The enzymes which are used in baby food are there because they allow the food to be digested in the baby's stomach. The main two enzymes used in the baby food industry are proteases and lipases. Enzymes in brewing are better extraction yield, efficient fermentation, better filtration and stabilization, utilization of local raw material. Food enzymes such as proteases, beta-glucanases, amylases aid brewers in cutting down production time and cost, while still delivering the quality product that consumers have come to expect. Such enzymes are specifically selected to perform highly specific tasks and improve the overall effectiveness of the process. These are some of the enzymes used in juice industries. Pectinases is an enzyme that breaks down pectinase, a polysaccharide found in plant cell walls. Pectinase enzymes are commonly used in processing involving the degradation of plant materials such as speeding up the extraction of fruit juice from fruit including apples. It breaks down the plant material and so helps the extraction of flavors from the mash. Xylanase is another important enzyme which is used in juice industry. Milk contains a number of different types of proteins. Cow milk contains whey proteins such as lactalbumin and lactoglobulin. The denaturing of these whey proteins using proteases results in a creamier yogurt product. Lactase is a glycosidic hydrolase enzyme that cuts lactose into its constituent sugars, galactose and glucose. Lactase is used commercially to prepare lactose-free products, particularly milk for lactose intolerant individuals. It is also used in preparation of ice cream to make a creamier and sweeter tasting product. Now we will talk about the role of enzyme in edible oil industry. A lipase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of fats, that is lipids. In human lipases, it is the main enzyme that breaks dietary fat triglyceride into monoglycerides and 2 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for normal metabolism. Mammals are unable to synthesize omega-3 fatty acids. Phospholipases are incorporated in processes such as the degumming of vegetables, oils during the refinement for removing undesirable compounds and to increase their shelf life. It is also used as mayonnaise production from egg yolk. Enhancement of dairy flavors is closely related to fatty acids produced by hydrolysis of milk fats. Composition of fatty acids after hydrolysis are different depending on the lipase used due to the differences in substrate specificity and positional specificity of lipases. These differences are used to produce a variety of aroma and enhance butter and cheese flavors in margarine, cakes and snacks. In this lecture, we will talk about the application of enzymes in paper and pulp, textile, detergents, agriculture and in biofuel. As we know that these sectors are major sectors of enzyme usage. The uses of enzyme in these sectors has been advantageous over conventional methods as they reduces the pollution load. The enzymes used in pulping are cellulases, hemicellulases and pectinase. These enzyme enhances the kraft pulping and reduces the energy required for further refining. It has been found that endoglucanase decrease the viscosity, increase the reactivity of a pulp. Xylanases and cellulases are the enzymes used in bleaching. Cellulases reduces bleach required for decolorizing and cellulases are used for color removal in recycled yellow pages. Enzymes are also used in fiber recycling. Cellulases smooth fibers, endoglucanases, cellulases and alpha amylases improve drainage properties by reducing viscosity. Some other important enzymes in fiber recycling are peroxidases and lacases. Enzymes in textile industry are used for desizing, biopolishing, stone washing and to make the garments softer and supple. Enzymes in washing powders. Amylases digest starch and break it into sugars. Proteases digest proteins and break them down into amino acids. Lipases digest fat and break them down into fatty acids and glycerols. So, the enzymes are used to remove stains such as blood, grass, sweat and food from clothes. In agriculture, enzymes are used as natural pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers, odor remover and to improve digestion of livestock. The enzymes are sprayed in animal farm to reduce infection and to keep insects away. With the cost and carbon emission due to the fossil fuels at an all-time high, the consumers and industries are trying to switch to biofuels. Biofuel production an alternative to fossil fuel. Different enzymes are used for biofuel productions. Enzyme converts grain such as corn, barley, wheat, etc. into fuel ethanol. Plus enzyme assists the conversion of biomass for cellulosic ethanol. Certain enzymes catalyze such as those belonging to the family of lipases are particularly using for biodiesel production. This is the diagrammatic representation of a bioethanol production. To summarize today's lecture, we have learnt about the enzymes and their applications in various sectors. Enzymes are polymers of amino acids and are highly specific in nature. The catalytic activity of the enzyme is dependent upon its three-dimensional structure. They are considered as green catalysts, therefore they are major players of various sectors. So we can summarize that enzymes are used in health sector from analysis to therapeutics. They are major players of all industries. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the leather bags we carry, the detergents we use all consist of enzymes. In this lecture, we have learnt about application of enzyme in different fields such as medicine, food, paper and pulp, agriculture and biofuel. We discussed the various kinds of enzymes used in various sectors. Thank you. You can also get this material from the website UGC Pathshala.